Hey everybody, it's Chad, the Real Estate Dad with the Sahar Group. Want to welcome you back to this video, which may be just a little bit longer. We're going to discuss the inspection deadlines in the contract. So there are 3 of them that as your agent, we're going to want to ensure that we meet those dates and deadlines. The first one's either going to be the inspection termination or the inspection objection. What those inspection termination is you have the opportunity to hire an inspector that's going to work on your behalf. That inspector is going to have the opportunity to walk through the property. I would say those inspections take anywhere from 3 to 4 hours, really making sure that we want to communicate with the seller. We want to ensure that the seller is not home for this, as this is a time that you have the opportunity to learn more about your property. Ask questions to the inspector. Find out what are some of the things that are good home maintenance tips, such as the furnace, the water heater, the appliances, the caulking of your windows, ensuring that if there are any types of settling cracks, things like that. What are some good resources that the inspector can provide for you? The inspector is also going to ask you if you want to do what's called a radon test, where they're going to find out what are the radon levels within the house, as well as do a sewer scope. A sewer scope is a camera that they're going to run through your sewer line just to ensure that there's no cracks or there's no root encroachment, as those could be some really big expenses down the road. So once the inspection is complete, we're going to have the opportunity to go through that report and make sure if there's any items that you would like the seller to resolve for you, we're going to send those over in what's called an inspection objection. And then at that time, the seller is going to review those objections and they're going to respond to us with their resolution. Either they're going to fix everything we've asked them to, or they're going to highlight some of the things that they're able to fix. And then at that point, you can determine if that's going to be satisfactory to you. And if those items look good, then once we do is all parties sign off on the resolution, and then we move on to the next step, which is going to be the appraisal. Look in the comments for this section of this video. There are some resources there for you as well, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.